Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq daily chart on Nasdaq. We are below the 20-day EMA. I think we are targeting the 20-day EMA at around 1480, 880. Once we get above there, then the 50-day EMA could be targeted 15,000. 300 280 somewhere there, but my question is, are we developing a W pattern here? We need to wait and see because we need to get above the neckline. The neckline is right around here, but once we do, if we get above the neckline and it turns out to be a W pattern, then let me measure my price target. It's too early to measure that, so it's not advisable to get into this trade until we get above 15,130, because this is going to be my neckline. Let's be conservative and let's just measure the bodies of the candle and not the wicks. Okay, and let me put it on my neckline. If we can get above the neckline, then we are almost going to the top according to this analysis. So then the price target could be 16,320. Until then, it can also turn out to be this is a high. This can also be a lower high, and then we go down and continue the downward trend. But right now it seems that we have a low and we have a higher low. We have a high and now we have a higher high in order for us to say that we have turned bullish on Nasdaq. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here. Sp500 and that's the daily chart on Sp500. Similar pattern. Yeah, for W pattern it can be. I can play it out and I can measure it once we get above the neckline, which can be here at 4,550 or right here at the top of this week. So let's wait and see. But so far we have a low and probably a higher low. We have a high and we need a higher high. Okay, now let's go over to Dow Jones, daily chart on Dow Jones. Yeah, similar situation here. Let's wait and see, can we get above this high? Then if yes, then it's bullish. Okay, Germany. Let's go over to Germany. This is the German index, daily chart on the German index. And let's see, it can be a W pattern as well. We need to get way back above here. This is going to be my neckline. Once we get there, then I can measure the price target, which is right at around the previous top. So, but I do think we are on our way to the 20-day EMA, which is right here. Let's go over to Japan. Nikkei, Japanese index. That's Nikkei daily chart. And we entered this area of resistance. Can we get above there? If we can, then probably 50-day, and we are above 20-day EMA, so 50-day EMA could be targeted. And 50-day EMA is at 27,980. Once we are above there, then probably this is going to be targeted 29,200. Let's have a quick look at Russel. That's the daily chart on Russel. Russel is developing a W pattern as well. Wow. And we are at the neckline. Cool. Let me measure it. So let me have a price target here. Let me measure with the wicks. So let's be brave and measure the wicks from the top to the bottom. Once we get above this high, so once we get above, where, let me see, above 2060, then the price target for me is 2220. Alright, that's all for now. See you next time.